Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on Oanda. So we just opened right here the web platform and Oanda supports MetaTrader 5. So that is why you see this web trader. And if you want to buy gold, we go right here to search symbol. Then we fill in XAU and then you will find right here the gold.pro. And this is the place where you can trade gold. So we select right here gold and then we go to new order where we fill in how much gold we want to buy. So if you want to buy 0.010 gold, that means that we buy this much gold. So exactly 1. If you want to put a stop loss or take profit on it, you can simply do that by clicking here on the plus. But right now we want to buy gold, so we click here on buy by market and now we just bought gold. So it's that easy. And if you have more questions about buying gold, please comment it down below. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.